So I'm going to walk you through a series of cadelic constructions, written forms, which then evolve into slightly more complex shapes. So one of the first shapes, which I feel is one of the most basic shapes, is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This then has to rotate to 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, we can get really beautiful shapes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Notice I'm counting. The counting helps to plot where the space is. So let's take that basic shape and turn it into a letter. So we have the basis for a letter E, and I'm going to connect this to here, and I'm going to start filling in sorry about that, some of the space to help me build the letter I'm looking for.